Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print from Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your document that you want to be printed. So for example, I'm going to use this picture of this puppy here. So from here we need to click onto File, and then we've got the option to click onto Print, or on our keyboard click on Control P as you normally would to print. Now, once we do this, we're going to have a print little box is going to appear. Now we can change some settings inside of here. So at the moment, it's set to profile is custom, and we got printer. So go ahead and choose your printer here. So I currently don't have a printer connected inside of here, but if you do, that's going to pick that up. So choose your printer. We can choose how many copies you want. So if you want 5 copies, do 5. We got range. We can do document. Now, fit type, so we can scale fit to printable or shrink to printable. So we can choose that. Include all sheets, odd sheets, even sheets. Orientation can be automatic, portrait, or landscape. I'm going to keep that automatic. Now, to the right, you can see what it's going to look like as you print. So if I go ahead and change fit type, this might change it. So fit to printable or shrink to printable. Now, if I go ahead and change orientation, if I set this to portrait or landscape, I can. And now down here we got layout, bleed and marks, color management, print to file, and paper size defined by driver. So we can change this as well. So I'm just going to keep this an A3 size, or we can do A4, A4 small. Now model can be single tiled or N up. Then from here, simply go ahead and click onto OK, and then that's going to go ahead and print your document. But I've just got this saved to save as a PDF.